Okay, so this time our topic is AI and ML, no? Applications in business. Artificial intelligence and machine learning application in business are transforming uh, how companies operate, no? Make decisions and deliver value to customers. Artificial intelligence refers to the broader concept of machine being able to carry out tasks in a way that we would consider smart. Well, if machine learning is a subset that allows system to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. No, in simpler terms, AI and machine learning enables business to move from reactive to proactive operation. Let's say, for example, no, Amazon uses machine learning algorithms to recommend product based on a customer's browsing and buying behavior, which enhances the shopping experience and boosts sales. Now, one of the most practical application of AI in business is customer service through AI-powered chatbots. Now, these bots can handle thousands of inquiries simultaneously, no? 24/7, reducing response times and operational costs. For instance, no, Philippine banks like BPI or Union Bank use chatbots to assist customers in checking balances, no, making transaction and answering frequently asked questions, no, minimizing the need for human agents while ensuring customer get timely support. As these chatbots learn from each interaction, they become smarter and more efficient over time. Okay, and to give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our presenter. Go ahead.
Thank you, Doc. So, good morning po. Good morning, classmates. Today I will be discussing chapter 19 on artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning, we call it ML, applications and businesses. So, AI and machine learning has been discussed in the earlier topics in this subject. So, most specifically, it was discussed in our second meeting, I think, as part of the emerging technologies and information technology infrastructure and it has been part of most of the topics that we have discussed already. So just a quick review, AI is the simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computers. It refers to computer system that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. So this task includes learning, problem solving, decision making, and even creativity. AI system can be trained on data to learn and adapt, improving their performance over time. So para na talaga siyang tao. So when we say naman machine learning, in simple terms, it is teaching computers to learn from the data without being explicitly programmed. By analyzing patterns in the data, these computers can make predictions, decisions, and improve their performance over time. So instead of being told exactly what to do in every situation, these machine learning algorithms learn from the examples we feed them and the data they are given. So unlike traditional programming where you tell the computer every step, machine learning algorithms learn the step themselves. AI and ML are rapidly transforming the business landscape nowadays, offering wide array of applications that drive efficiency, enhance customer experience, and foster innovation. AI and machine learning offer numerous applications across businesses. This application range from automating tasks and improving customer service to optimizing supply chains and predicting future trends. As subset to AI, they enable computers to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human interventions. So business can gain a competitive edge through data-driven insight and personalized experience. Now let me give you the most common key applications of AI and ML in business. So number one is to enhance customer experience. Sabi nga ni Doc kanina, isa to sa most popular na applications ng AI and ML in businesses. Number two is operational efficiency. Third is improved decision making. And number four, innovation and product development. So let us look into the first application, enhancing customer experiences. It's a common knowledge to us that customer are the most important component of businesses. So if we do not have customers, a business will not thrive. So how can AI and ML learning or machine learning affects customers? So AI algorithms analyze customer data such as browsing history, purchase patterns, preference. They analyze that to provide tailored product or service recommendations. That personal touch through AI and machine learning boost engagement and sales. Detailed example of this application in business is the chatbots. So AI-powered chatbots, sabi nga, na-mention na din ni Doc kanina, they can handle large volume of customer inquiries, providing instant responses. And with that, they free up human agents for more complex issues. AI-powered chatbots offer 24/7 customer support, answers frequently asked questions, they process orders, and provide basic troubleshooting, improving the customer satisfaction. So just some clicks, and then you will arrive at your wanted information and service. An example of this I can give you, very common, is the Facebook sponsored marketing, which when you click, you will be prompted with a set of questions, and then we will be provided with a set of options. So click mo lang siya until you arrive at your needed service. So para meron siyang send a message, make an order, ganun na lang siya. So also, machine learning algorithms can analyze customer data to offer personalized recommendations and tailor interactions, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. It helps segment customers based on behavior and demographics, enabling business to deliver targeted market message and offers, improving campaign and effectiveness. The computers to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions of like what to advertise and how to do the pricing, and even gives discounts with minimal human interventions. That brings us to the fact that AI and ML is being widely used in marketing. So ang tawag natin ngayon dito is targeted advertising. So AI can help business identify customer segments and create targeted marketing campaigns with higher success rates kasi nga naka-target na siya. Also, AI tools can analyze competitors' marketing efforts and customer expectations. I can say that with today's trend, most of us being caught up and even addicted to online shopping have personally experienced this, yung targeted marketing. Using Lazada, Shopee, and even Facebook Marketplace. For example, you bought an in-stock camera online. The next time you'll know, your account will be flooded with advertisement and purchase recommendations like other cameras, camera accessories, camera supplies, such as film and batteries, and more of the related products. So like Spice, it suddenly posts advertisements of things you just started to think about. So ganun siya ka mag-analyze ng ating mga patterns, marketing patterns and buying behaviors. So next, the second key application identified is the artificial intelligence and machine learning is widely applied for operational efficiency. Automation of repetitive tasks is significant application of AI in business. Example is the robotic process automation powered by AI can automate repetitive and routinary tasks like data entry, invoice processing, and report generation across multiple systems, reducing errors and freeing up employees for higher valued activities. RPA with AI, also known as intelligent automation, combines the repetitive task automation of RPA with the AI-powered capabilities to handle more complex, unpredictable situations, leading to greater efficiency and flexibility. This integration allows the RPA bots not to not only to mimic human interaction with digital system, but also learn, adapt, and make decision based on contextual data and trend. So next. So application of AI and ML is also widely used in business supply chain optimization. Algorithms can predict future demand and optimize inventory levels, improve logistics, and ensure timely delivery of products, reducing cost and improving responsiveness to market changes. AI and ML is used in demand prediction. Sabi to ni yung previous reporter natin kanina na mention niya na yung demand prediction or predictive na sa ating digitalization. AI algorithms analyze historical data, market trends, and external factors to predict future demands more accurately than the traditional method. This enables businesses to adopt production plans, optimize inventory levels, and avoid stockouts or excess inventories. It is also used in business inventory optimization. So AI and ML can analyze real-time data like sales figures, lead times, and supplier availability. This ensures that business have the right amount of inventory on hand to meet demand without tying up too much capital in the storage cost. So AI and ML greatly help in logistic improvement as well. AI-powered route optimization tools can identify the most efficient routes for transformation, reducing delivery times and transportation costs. These can also be used for warehouse layout optimization and resource allocation. So with this, a timely delivery is guaranteed. AI and ML can help business improve delivery timeliness by predicting potential disruptions like weather delays or traffic congestions. This enables them to adjust schedules, find alternate routes, and ensure that deliveries are completed on time. AI and ML uses information like those in Google Maps and other navigational apps and analyzes traffic situation and other traffic updates. So lahat-lahat na tinitingnan niya para makita ang timeliness ng mga deliveries. By optimizing demand forecasting, inventory levels, and logistics, AI and ML can significantly reduce supply chain costs, leading to improved profitability. Most importantly, it helps in the responsiveness to market changes. AI and ML enables business to respond quickly to changes in customer demand, market trends, and disruption by analyzing data in real time and making rapid adjustment to their supply chain operation. Overall, AI and ML are powerful tools for business to improve their supply chain efficiency, responsiveness, and profitability. So third, and one of the most significant applications of AI and ML in business is it's used to improve decision making. So ang keyword po natin dito improve, hindi talaga wala nang gagawin yung human for decision making kasi helps improve decision making naman yung AI and machine learning. They improve decision making by enabling faster, more accurate, and data-driven choices. Kasi nga, mabilis yung mga processing nila. AI system can analyze vast amount of data, identify patterns, and predict future outcomes, providing valuable insights for more informed decisions. This leads to enhanced efficiency, better resource allocation, and improve overall performance in various fields, most commonly on finance, human resource, and security. So sa business intelligence and analytics, AI-powered business intelligence tools can efficiently collect, analyze, and visualize large data sets, identifying trends, forecasting outcomes, and providing actionable insights for data-driven decision making. Second is ML algorithms analyze transaction patterns to identify anomalies indicative of fraudulent activity in real time, protecting business from financial losses. Example is the IBM and American Express fraud detection system. And kanina yung nasabi ni Ma'am Yvonne yung sa Chase na company, JP Morgan. So finally, AI and ML is also used in predictive analytics. So it enables business to forecast future trends such as customer behavior, product demand, and market changes, allowing for proactive strategies and risk mitigation. AI can help business forecast trends and market developments. So another key application of AI and ML in business is innovation and product development. AI can generate innovative products designed based on specific constraints and goals, accelerating the design process. Example of this is the Autodesk. It's a generative design software. And recently, there are also a lot of applications that you can download to provide your logo suggestions, business name design, home layout, etc. These are examples of how AI is being used in these fields. AI tools can also assist in generating marketing copy, blog content, and other written materials, reducing creative workload. So, ginagamit na din siya for content creation. AI and ML increases efficiency and productivity, automating tasks and streamlining workflows, which saves time and resources. So as mentioned earlier, AI and ML is also widely used in human resource. Nabanggit din to ni Sir Jace last week sa iba nating report. AI is widely used in recruitment. AI can assist in writing job postings, identifying the screening candidates, and creating personalized training programs. It is also used to increase employee engagement. AI-powered system can help understand employee needs and improve engagement through personalized touch the ML can give. Today in our agency, we can request employment certificates, for example, through online. And that certificates are digitally produced through the information provided and the data from the human resource database. So providing this request in a snap brings satisfactions to the requester. Hindi gaya nung dati, you will wait for one week para lang ma-release yung employment certificates. Ngayon, real time pagka-request mo, andyan na siya. So AI and ML play a significant role also, na banggit din to ni Ma'am Yvonne kanina, its role in cybersecurity. It helps business in threat detection by monitoring network traffic and identifying anomalies that could indicate cyber attack. It also helps in anomaly detection as it can help identify suspicious patterns in financial transactions and it can prevent fraud. This is mostly helpful to to companies, especially that now that digitalization is being pushed, pero not all employees have the technological knowledge. Yet, this AI and ML can do the basic cybersecurity, so people will not be very loaded with the difficulty of guarding digital information. So si AI and ML na nandyan to back it up. So to wrap up, here are some of the companies, mga popular na nag-use siya ng AIs and MLs. So, kanina nabanggit na din yung Netflix. Netflix use AI and ML to provide personalized content recommendation. So, tinitingnan niya yung browsing history, tapos magre-recommend siya ng mga new new movies in mga kung ano pa yung pwede mong i-view. So also Amazon and the Philippine version of online shopping like Lazada and Shopee. They uses AI and ML for personalized shopping experience, recommendation engines, inventory management, and predictive analytics. They also use chatbots and in their frequently asked questions and in their order facilitations. Also, American Express in our local BPO, BPI, which uses banking apps that uses AI and ML for fraud detection and customer service automation. AI and ML is also used by logistic and delivery companies like LBC or JRS. Now, you can track your packages and parcels by looking into their app. You can even see the real-time movement in the map when your parcel or the packages is in transit. So, kung from Manila to here sa Bicol, nasa na ba siya, nasa Quezon, nasa Laguna na ba siya, nasa Quezon province na ba siya. So, makikita mo na siya doon sa map agad. So, Salesforce integrates AI into its CRM platform for sales forecasting, lead scoring, and customer insights. And of course, Google, it uses AI and ML for search engine algorithms, personalized ads, and various AI-powered tools. And syempre, yung IBM, leading the trend, offers a wide range of AI solution and various business applications. So, yan po yung mga examples ng mga big companies na gumagamit ng AI and ML. So, that is all from my side. Thank you very much for lending time and listening.
Okay, so thank you so much, no, Madam. Another significant areas of this is the predictive analytics, no, in sales and marketing. Artificial intelligence and machine learning analyze massive data set to predict customer behavior, no, forecast sales trends, and personalized marketing campaigns. We consider next Netflix or Spotify, no, their recommendation system analyze user habits to suggest movies, no, or music you're like to enjoy. Businesses use similar system to send customized email offers, no, optimize and placement, and decide when and where to launch products. This level of precision helps business maximize return on investment and customer engagement. In the realm of operation and logistics, no, AI helps automate routine tasks and optimize supply chains. Now, companies like FedEx and DHL use ML or machine learning algorithms to predict package delivery times, no, reroute deliveries in case of disruption, and manage warehouse operations more efficiently. In manufacturing naman po, artificial intelligence-driven robots work alongside humans to improve speed and accuracy while minimizing workplace injuries. No, even small local businesses now use AI tools to inventory management or dynamic pricing, no, to remain competitive in the market. However, no, successful of AI and machine learning integration isn't just about technology again, no, it's about mindset and governance. Organizations need data like literate leaders, no, ethical AI policies, and ongoing training, syempre, to ensure responsible users, no, and usage. No. Let's say, for example, A retail store adopting facial recognition for security must ensure it complies with privacy laws, like the Philippine Data Privacy Act of 2012. No, as AI grows more powerful, no, balancing innovation with accountability becomes uh, critical. No, in the end, AI and ML aren't just about smarter machines; they're about smarter business strategies that adapt, learn, and evolve with the world. Na, so yun po.